Hello and welcome to the course on data science. I'm super excited to have you here, and we're going to have a fantastic journey together. We're going to dive into 4 separate realms of data science, and each one will feel like a unique adventure. And in this quick tutorial, I just wanted to introduce myself quickly and give you an outline of the course. So my name is Kirill Romenko, and I have been in this field for about 5 years. I have both worked for companies as a data scientist and for consulting as a data scientist. I worked at Deloitte Australia, and I had exposure to many different industries and developed lots of skills and experiences which I want to share with you in this course. And moving on to the course outline, I'm just going to jump behind my computer and I'll walk you through the different sections of the course so that you know how to navigate it better. Alright, back behind the computer, and here I've got the course as we see it. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit so we can see everything a bit better. And at the top here, we've got the Get Excited section. That's where we are right now. Then we have the What is Data Science section, which is a bit of an extended introduction into data science, and it tells you about the different areas or domains of data science, why data science is going to just grow in demand and is going to be a very popular profession in the future, and why you want to be on this wave early. And also there's an important tutorial here which is called Course Pathways. Now this tutorial is important because it will allow you to create your own learning experience based off the sections in this course. And let me explain in a bit more detail what I mean here. So here we've got section 3, part 1, visualization. There is 4 parts to the course, and they are quite substantial. So they have lots and lots of lectures, and you might want to go through them in the order that they laid out, or you might want to combine them into your own learning experience based on what you are after in terms of learning data science. So here we've got Tableau. We're using Tableau because it will allow us to do visual data mining, a very interesting topic which we cover off. Then we get an introduction here, this introduction to Tableau. Then I explain how to use Tableau for data mining. Then I will show you how to do advanced data mining in Tableau. And we'll actually talk about statistical significance of your data mining based on chi-square tests. Then part 2 is modeling. So we won't go through all the sections right now, but because there's just a lot of them. But basically, we refresh our stats in this section, and then we learn how to build models step by step. So we go through simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, logistic regression, building a robust geodemographic segmentation model. Then we'll learn how to assess the model. Then we'll learn how to draw insights from your model. We will learn about model maintenance. We will learn modeling tips and tricks, and then we will move on to data preparation. So this is part 3, and here this is also a very big part. Here we're going to learn what business intelligence tools are, and we'll set up all the software for this part of the course. Then we will talk about data wrangling before the load. We'll talk about how to use SSIS for uploading your data. Then we will talk about how to handle errors. And this is going to add some realism to what we're doing. So there'll be very realistic errors that you will find in real life scenarios. Here we will learn how to program in SQL for data science. So some basics of SQL programming, which we'll need in further sections. Then we will learn how to perform data wrangling after we've loaded data into a database. Then we will learn how to handle errors during the last phase of our extract transform load process, and there will be also another very realistic data set here, so you'll learn everything about cleaning data. And finally, part 4, communication. So this is the part where we talk about how to work with people. In this section, we talk about how to work with people and extract information from them to use in your data science projects. And in this section, we learn how to present data science projects, and I actually give you some case studies of my own presentations. And finally, at the end, we've got some homework solutions because there will be homework throughout the course. So that's how this course works. Make sure that you check out that tutorial that I mentioned on creating your own pathway, because it will also help you understand how you can structure these sections to gain the maximum benefit in your specific situation. And I look forward to seeing you inside the course. And until next time, happy analyzing.